There's a sound that can cool down anxiety and overwhelm right when it's happening, the heart sound. The ha sound is a very real and powerful tool, exceptional for moments of anxiety, impatience, and overwhelm. When I looked into my heart, I found resentment. It showed up in many ways throughout my life, and as I peeled back the layers, I found it linked to anxiety. I can say now that I am free of anxiety, because whenever it comes up, I can ask my heart what it needs. In ancient times, when Taoists were quietly listening inwardly, they became aware of different inner sounds and discovered that each organ had its own sound. The heart sound, which is one of the 6 ancient Taoist sounds, is designed to release stuck emotions from the organs. Why does this matter? When the heart gets out of balance, it can cause sleep issues, anxiety, poor circulation, and a kind of pressure builds. A kind of pressure that makes you feel impatient, disconnected, and overwhelmed. How does it work? Specific sound frequencies create pulses that connect to the heart, clearing stagnant energy and transforming negative emotions into positive life force energy. As you use the sounds, stagnant chi is expelled from each organ. It sounds so simple, and it is. It really works. And regular practice can recycle more and more negative energy. So if you're feeling anxious, impatient, overwhelmed, try this. And for the heart, the color is red. The excess emotion is hatred, bitterness, resentment. And on the other side, virtues are love, joy, and happiness. And reaching your hands up as if you're grabbing the sun and pulling it down into your heart. So you want to link to your left, opening up your heart, bringing that fire energy down into your heart, that love, joy, and happiness. And then exhale, ha sound. Hot, ha, ha, HAAA. Weighing out the sun. Bright red vapors, and exhale. And holding that sun down into your heart, and exhale. Love, joy, and happiness. Exhale. Guilt, shame, bitterness, hatred. We often make the sound our own. There's kind of a sigh or and down the sun. You can move your hands back and then go down. Eyes open. Guilt and shame, often one of the deeper emotions and harder to deal with it because you feel like you deserve it, is often found in the heart. bright red vapors coming from the sun. And exhale. Resentment, bitterness. The ha sound. 3 more times. When that sun, fire, that love, joy, and happiness. See your crown. Going back to the heart center. Smiling to the heart, storing up those red vapors inside the heart center as well. Just feeling that love energy spread throughout your entire body. Love, joy, and happiness.